that I have the Glossybox for the month of January for you guys. I thought I'd do a quick unboxing since I just got this yesterday in the mail. And as always, they have the cute pink box. This is sent for review purpose. I do have a coupon code down below and a link if you guys are interested in subscribing. Let's go ahead and see what is in this month's box. As always, they have tissue paper and a cute little ribbon inside of it, like you're getting a little gift. I don't see, that's kind of weird. Usually there's like a little pamphlet here on top, and this month I don't see one. After opening the box and inspecting it, the pamphlet's not in here, and for that reason I won't have price points or, you know, any more details about the products, if they're full size, if it's an extra in there. So we're just gonna, you know, just pull them out and show you guys what's in here. The first thing in here is the Black Marble Facial Roller. This is for after spa. This helps enhance product absorption. It's a large roller for overall, and then it has a small one for delicate areas. I love using this kind of product for doing skincare. I feel like it really does help, and it helps you even like what's it called, like massage your face and just really get your lymphatic system going. And this is what it looks like. I know that these can be pricey, but I've seen them at like Marshall's as well. So if you're ever interested in getting one, I know Marshall's, TJ Maxx, you can find a lot of these little rollers around. Or if you're subscribed to Glossybox, then you'll get it this month. The next thing that I see in here is the Philip Kinsley Bond Builder. It's a split end remedy. I'll try this out on my hair. I don't have any more details. It doesn't say anything. It's more like a little deluxe size in here. Then we have the Julep Love Your Bare Face. These are brightening cleansing cloths. It says that it gently removes makeup and cleanses your skin. It has 30 little towelettes in here. And it says that it can even remove waterproof mascara without tugging or pulling. It's paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. I'm always using makeup wipes. I know it's not good for the, you know, for the environment, but I've tried using those, what are these called? The makeup erasers. And sadly, this just does not do the same thing for me. That's why I rather do like a two-step cleanser or use makeup wipes. If anyone has any other suggestions, let me know. Then I see a little, this is the Codex Beauty Labs Brightening Serum. It's a tiny little brightening serum. And then I see the Invis Bobble. It says the Traceless Bun Tool, no metal. It says it secures the bun, cute and quick and easy, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, traceless, and hair loving. I will definitely have to, it seems like there's a little bit of a learning curve. I guess you're supposed to twist your hair and then twist it around and then just like pop this thing in between. I probably will have to play with this a little bit to see how I can make it work. I do like the Invisa, what are those called? Like just a regular scrunchie, like the invisible ones. And yeah, we'll definitely see if this really does hold a bun, especially because I have really thin hair and, you know, it needs to really be able to grip. Then I have the Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True by Bloom, B-L-U-M-E. It says that this is made with all natural ingredients, chamomile, lavender, sea kelp. It's a gentle cleanser who will leave you feeling heavenly, calming, hydrating, and non-stripping. And then the last thing that I see in here are, oh, this is a moisturizing foot mask with lavender oil. And it's one of those sock kind of masks where you just pop your foot in it and leave it in there for 15 minutes. I like these, but right now it's kind of chilly here in Florida, so I might leave this for when it starts getting a little bit warmer, because I don't like, when I'm cold, my feet are the first thing to get cold. I don't know, is that weird or am I the only one? But I don't like the feeling of like putting my foot into something like, what's it called? Like all gooey and cold, especially in cold weather. But these are really, really good. There's even ones that like peel your whole foot and get rid of all the dead skin. I really enjoy those. So I will definitely try these, especially because, you know, always got to keep those feet looking moisturized and nice. And that is everything that came in the box. I'm sorry I don't have the pamphlet to give you more details as far as the price points. It just wasn't in there this month. Let me know what you guys thought of the box. I feel like everything in here is something that I would use. I really like the face cleansing cloth. And there's quite a bit of skincare. I've seen for the most part that Glossybox is more towards skincare compared to a lot of makeup. There is makeup from time to time, but for the most part, I feel like you get more skincare, and they're not too big of a size. It's more, you know, a mixture of full size with more deluxe sizes, and that way you can kind of like test out products and see if you like them or not. Sometimes I wish that boxes, even though I do love getting a full-size product, it's nice to also get smaller products, because of the fact that if you keep getting these boxes all the time, a lot of times it can be overwhelming, the amount of products that you start accumulating, especially if they're full size. And I think that with deluxe size products, it's easier to go through them, see if you really like it, and then maybe purchase it, compared to like getting a full size and not being able to finish. I don't know if you guys get where my drift is, but let me know what your thoughts are with deluxe sizes, or if you prefer everything to be full size. And that is it for this month. I'd love to have you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.